Hi, my name is David. This is my remote control Megalodon camera. Is it on?
I don't know.
It's off. So,
Now it's on.
are you ready to go, buddy? Let's go.
Hold on. Tighten the camera up. All right. There you go. Well, you can't see the Megalodon. Careful the car, don't do anything yet.
Scream like an abalone.
This video? Well, do you want to take the camera out and check the video, or do you want to do a little bit more? All right, keep going. You want to do a jump? Whoa!
It was fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
It was.
I think we have the
Okay, can we take off the camera?
Alrighty, you got it. Our first run of Megalodon cam.